Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
New crusading guy, for instance, government exposes NDC, terminates PDS concession.
Someone NDC for yaka about PDS. Yes, someone yaka is a PDS. And yes, papa. Aye, Frakadam. Yet the Omega and Japan, the Cassia, ECG Japan, they are worth 22 billion Ghana cedis. I'm a company, I have any PDS. Ye is the baby, I said, or Chinebi, some Koba. Yen Sabit Kayisika, and I are the Pebia, Yashe. Sansem, and a someone NDC yaka about PDS. The patron let me. That's many mubako cry about that is a enyanokre. Cha, a bind with PDS moon. Now, ring in a swa by and say a nunti and what PDS moon. The patron, and ya no one NDC yaka, always your wiki. And ya no one yaka, and no mako 360 degrees about the seat, the yakanason. One end says NDC for your cassette. Guarantee PDS for the buyer, and your papa. One end says NDC for your cassette. Oh my God, the Japan ECG, they share PDS for Sano. I have Sakadam, and you're the Kwanswa. It's a saying, and you're in the interest of Ghana. One end says NDC cassette, or more wish PDS Nechino. Or money any Oboniba kind of technical and financial capacity. Omuni Sika, Omuni media. Say Japadeni at Yasha was over with my energy. The Patrania San Seminar and Nedia Kedufuriata under the direction of President Kufuado, what could you Krata, so not see a new Twitter PDS. And number one, contrary to the new crusading guide, Kubanko Pepper Eka, this termination is rather a vindication of the position of the NDC on this PDS matter all along. Yes, someone ya can no and on ne. Abane jeni mu baby a onyin ti. Ono ankasa be kan nu mu asem. Na enframa abo ama akokoto ada wa magana fu se na NDC for kanokre. That PDS na yemusuo PDS na ya de bone. Na abaya wakofa sa ade wo ya beto yeso no. Eyo manpenye okufu ado MPP abai. Enti no ho asem ene wo se ye den ye ka. Na so Olumia. Ese no, I was at my studio, the Biano Mope, a boom, a bobona modeto. Now, Baha Namusia, Namudia Maya, was a medium fee, Mobu Nimonye. I was say Munya GDO or NDC, Musa, Sebio, and yes, you try your new. But, yet, do on my Ghana. Now, as a manuku, no, you and Sunny at the Cassa. In the end, someone yet Caspa, a manual Semubiano. And someone a no crack. Because Minia, a NDC Guyao, and a chrono Cassia, a by way person commodable boy, a Mera Minister for Special Initiative Development, Yamame Howard Gumson. Bin Yamabi sent Carter with the commerce bedroom set, Marche bedroom for man of crying on for 800,000 cities and connected to 8 billion cities. And found Concoya website. NDC, ye refimu pa, ni ye juma pa, and a pass at the end of Toma. Ye timi sees our chrono Cassiano, I'm quite. And yes, I come and pay you Kufuado, Eddie 6, Eddie 9, Eddie 3 8 billion Equia website. And your NDC, and in the American Innovation Deal, on Penia Kufuado Nankasa Efa, Sebuana Kweti Council. At the $800 million F4 American Innovation Deal. And Casa Chrono Cassi, or whatever boy, $800 million. And yet, NDC don't kuma, I want my shabby film. If you will pa, yeah, near to my pie, yeah. Casa Chrono so far Ghana for to MA lose $800 million. APM and NDC, and in the Oslo Chancery deal, aban we pay say nkomo be fa kan city kwan so na omakoto a dime so mo de embassy worth $12 million abradan ne bo na emro $3 million no enya ndis de ye nhwehwe mu pa e de san sem ne be to abontia ka ban no fa bukata kwan so e de Ghana over $9 million for the torso e boy sa no. And I can go on and on and on. Deals here and this year come to man. Near save Ghana billions of money which would have lost through these corrupt deals of the Akufo-Addo government. It's a ampa and this is what ye soon on my Ghana so pa. Ye didn't cry ever your man your same one airport or my Ghana camp. It is a basso body, you know, and was some of the my. Now, maybe I'm a kind of say, you know. On this PDS matter, I was saying, I want to see as to how and Ghana you will mean the cover by. And then in Ghana, you can't see the move PDS a concession agreement. And then in Ghana, you need to tell you throw your finance minister like to come America for Paul Matchell. Or man acquire money is restricted tendering or throw power compact MSC over $200 million. I think in Ghana, Yakosa, how we Ninia, a Yamami Sape. Nasanya Mammy Sano, Efa Nanado, a by we dream for ye, Katasi Senate Kankaya, a womb, and he said, Testamin Kumdani and Nibra, aye or my by we, your body is man, and on our fuck years, I think we in Abba. We are here because, number one, Mrasebe for approval PDS concession agreement. Maybe I'm going to understand. And now the ECD, or my guy, the Japadia, a strong booty. And some of the Japadia never say PDS for some. Yanye is Yachiba, every PDS bankers for. They are a friend of bank guarantee and a letter of credit. And Obama Yanya, a Rishimu say, Ampa PDS, you will see car, banga. A year bear $350 million. Nasa ochile bi no mo de omo sa kobo ye life bill la ye betua ma omo de mu. Anasa omo de dan na japade efa kwambo na bi so a. Sansi achi ba na awowa no ye timi de nsa to so no mu sika da bank no ya fa de ase ye ka. Ni ya za oti ase.
It is a
paper. But pesemi kumunya ne amamu boni. According to the FCI report, page 8, paragraph 1. Meeting because so on the 19th of February 2019, Ewo Jubilee House. A meeting no na netitreni eye Ghana manpenye bediechire Dr. Bawumia. No manpenyi nuaba ne mami nuaba o my Ghana photo stand for Keduforiata so e committee no bi. Na mida for obi. Eye at that meeting and omo fa kana city council. Short-changing the interests of Ghana. And almost a bank guarantee in our parliament, SSS, and only camera. And some of the ECG, I'm a PDS for almost a bank guarantee into an insurance guarantee. Meaning, insurance guarantee, and what they will form a would draw no form 10 bank guarantee because bank guarantee the HSS will see Kada Bango as ever by Sikada. Insurance guarantee the only Sikano Wako insurance company, Wako insurance. They said the AMI castle and what's your premium. As I will see now 7 on your phone so and I know what I am and this year. Insurance guarantee the Bebo. If they are not to say that our conditions here they ever. But because of the selfishness of this government, they watered down the precondition of a bank guarantee into an insurance guarantee. ABM, Yentia, Yetu baby, are away in this PDS mess, and I said. Insurance guarantee now by the test was a PDS and Kofam Brothers Swat. Omoko Kata, Equa Jumakua from Akutu, Equa Jibaya, and also if you more, I was in Kagana buying 24 years. They are a friend of due diligence. And some as insurance guarantee no Yadia to Eddie Japade, I'm a PDS for. And also Nanado, Keduforiata, and they are buying 24 years. Obia himself due diligence ye and sana bibia take effect and sana ye Japade ama ubi. Oh for Japade so bomba and sana ne nkrata wo de aba beje no wakọ akoye mu hwehwemu woye hwehwemu ni wie ansa na wo de agapade no ahye ne nsa saa na aban papa bia odwe ne manfo ho odwe ne agapade ho eye but Nanado de wanye ne sa oje insurance guarantee no wanye due diligence ya and on the ECG agapade worth 22 billion Ghana cedis ma PTS and what see ansa na ho beka che so mo koye due diligence Minia, Senka Abaino Dikan Yen, if you pa your friend due diligence. And then can you who said guarantee no free akut for crying the moon matching. Na your fracadam, a dream, a fraudulent. Minia, Canada is the Babable PDS and sa. Ama a how we na day. Abba. It's the only idea to you know the problem we have. And the atosomi and son. And no dear. Me ka the three cardinal sense na and no na ye boni kese pa buy we dey Ghana for and say Ghana ansa na ye de ECG ba be ma PDS no ye de obroni fe no international competitive and my companies akese nyina be participate in the process almost ECG near them obetumi aye and ye wie ye no ye say the Miracle-led consortium and RND and more. Miracle for no year. It's the ECG company and what Philippines approach the Bebo. Almost 3 years pa almost account dear. Ewo enyama modimo. And at least they be no na yet me the chiche rare say, oh, Miracle boy, omoka de no ho dia na say, oh, PDS emwedru. Oh, Santa Baron Ventures. Ghana ye ni momo omo sika. ES engineering the more capacity or more sika. And at least they are not to say a rare say say any bank guarantee, cranny and insurance guarantee. Now say Mustia. Meaning can go after the shareholders of PDS. We can go after Miracle, which is a world class GTS engineering, Santa Baron Ventures. Now you see Kebia Akem na ya debia ya Kipiano. Ya papa yes from ho. Meaning sana you didn't say. Nanado abeya ya high afakana na kwanso any the original shareholders na wo PDS no akwaya kana na say omunya ne nko Miracle and free concession mu nko obi a yegina ne technical and financial capacity so ede ECG asho is a Miracle for omega nko Santa Baron Ventures omega nko GTS engineering omega nko and more about register companies for fraud. Almost subsidiaries companies for fraud. And only just split and distinct from them from Bremuno. Omako registered on the 26th of June 2018. Yeah. 26th of June 2018. Says companies, you know, a tondroa, Omunia Japadia, Omuni Sika, Omunisia, no track record. And then Oko register general as well. Yeah. That new company, see. Among NAS shareholders in PDS. And the other says, I say, Untimin go after PDS because Omuni bank guarantee. Insurance guarantees were Fracadam, Yamutu. Shareholders now, when it has one, will go after them because of more capacity of Motika. They say Miracle, Santa Baron Ventures, DTS Engineering, and so on. Nanado Abwa or Mama Wegane. Aquacofa, a full fraud and a net, or PDS. That's the way in this year. In Kayenim. Instead of Miracle, no, yes, you'll be the Meridian Power Ventures Limited. Instead of Santa Baron Ventures, no, yes, the company will be the Santa Power Limited. Instead of GTS Engineering, no, yes, the company will be the GTS Power Limited. When you new companies, you need money contract, you need money no money captain, and so Nanado Eddie Japadiako show. Tanyama say ya mabobo sui bank guarantee ba omiase sako insurance guarantee. Insurance guarantee ayanya hu due diligence and apiem say a fraudulent. And companies, original companies na no mo wa ho tie de ECG say PDS and sa. Nanado am mo register companies for fraud am ba be take you over o shares no. Enunti na Ghana ye ni ateta ya kan system mu a ehu ye ho ano a bibia apaska no. Enti die di kan a NDC ya kan say da sobuo bi wo ho a Ghana fo yemfa mo o mampenya kufu adone na ban because omo na de yakosa wo ni we bo sika bia ye be hwere so far Ghana for line bills a yetua nko ama PDS. 1.5 billion Ghana cedis. 1.5 billion Ghana cedis. Square Sabafa so Keshike Yenim. Ghana Fatity Muremu, Library, two, the boy, the Kenya Mutia. Didn't know about the PDS and sign, they are so way for a better than Saka. They are 3 BBR, so Buono, Nanado, then Abana was the edge, and only I asked Medica. Now, they are also the Olusun Seminia. Can you forget a termination letter? What would be?
Yeah.
So, paragraph 2. Can you forget someone all kind of honominia? A year in this before a year and one kaka. Because the person say US are buying NMC, a friend of Millennium Challenge Corporation. I'm paying pa. Any of my penny up for the Koye meeting, the US approach. Memo, if you're denied, I'm taking decisions, the PDS in Yem. And I'll go paragraph 4. Can you forget I say US foreign system, I know. Now, instead of the Omone Nanado G2 Muse Yenye, which is to cancel the PDS deal, no. Omo the implementation plan the aba, omo person would protect the PDS, omo person PDS, ye be treble pie. And the can over ebo US force of war, say omo cano cre, oma can send back as a so mano, oma your manu miunu, impugning the integrity of the United States of America. Omo ne Ghana, ayon kofa. It dated back to so many years. Meaning, that's the way a year na crack. Meeting Chronom Canadi and Nihobi. It ain't mean as a mobile or mombua. By yet, yes, I was a US a buying back. Not our 7 can overreact the atomosono. Or bet say no cray, and now and yano cray. Can overreact and Casana impugning the integrity of the US government, and now and yes, honest here. Because yet, dear, and yet, the and now don't the can overreact. Because you need some kind of credit. And you need to send a prayer or my person compare the PDS idea with it. We can't believe them. So you can't settle that issue. But maybe
Oh. Sammy, I'm saying, a baby, I will down here, Kakra, and I'm saying, one more to Kakra.
Kafra.
Aha, to yeah, see, yeah.
Omafa, Omo amount for to Kakao Mojino. The taxpayers' money of the United States of America. Omafa move $500 million. And Omodi Abeche Ghana. Oman Penny Kufu, my power ye. And John Dramani Mahama, a do pa be ye. Almost say, compact 2, your mom of $500 million. More fancy ECG, Jumbo. Na mo fanya manyina mahode won hyehyeye ye na Ghana so entimi konani omo de akyeye enya bosia eye grant ye de akyeye kwa you see then Kerovoya to echa ho accuse oh the reason why mimia America for no any aban we any sia the reason why America buy any Ghana mu jidie biem ene say omo wuzo manpanyi akufo ado aban we no but aye si o mani so Timu poa ewo mumu no enye timu papa dream ne kata asese for ye di omani mu kai the Americans know that
really Sammy we no
yenti Ghana for ye nim na Americans no nim say on the 27th of March even before this PDS deal was terminated was suspended Kenoforiata Nicodemus Lee etre letter koma lawyer kuto ampaw the Ghanaian shareholding in PDS 51%. Or per se or san not de now for 4. They say TBK. Mo echo shem no homogeneous shares if you original shareholders. That letter na babon thing Ghana for ni America for no to ni. It's almost as na abani ye even before PDS was suspended now. Only the can say ya na mo person mo chese ya maintain me one say buy ya as I did the Abamuno, and on the Yamobotaye, and Yano Crack in the Dimonimu kind. Yet also be they say then I will suspend PDS where the fraud of Ghana, Dana me Ubeka, and yes, I NDC kind, I may win as the PDS where the fraud way, Muni. Now, where Ghana for 51% in a woman at on said because also we are forced. But what for Simbuas Council at the Ghana, you see.
Oh. Sami ahoma no article. Mfanche be say bia nsa betimi aka ne bioma because wo cheche nsem na kwa kodu be bi article.
Ghana muntie na mansanya so adawro Kofiaman homene so ejiji tonton sansan ewo neat 100.9 FM.
Member studio na akosia nso wie de bonkrata no nkomo no emfama akosia wie mame.
Yo abusia mi wie dia na me de insight de bonkrata. O se omanfo bi ani abrese krodom om se Ghana mampanyi na nado ababeka se the University for Development Studies UDS I one of Vrongo campus no and say one of Vrongo no omo de kwa akoto owura CK Tedema wanya ne ba bi ko no mo se da bi omo mpene na ekwei se omonya de a ombepene e wo kwan bia so se from concern na Vrongo Citizens for Development etinya de a omo ebepene kwesi me
da akosia wie de bonkrata no ma yenko eye owura Sami Jemfi so communications national communication officer ma NDC or church nsem Sami Bem say eyi wo de ba chi ahoma na chekoi ba bebi a wudu ya wo kan wa sebe no nim say wo kai ho no ma
ya me kai pa
okay ento aso
so de ntia ene America man eni Ghana aban mu gidie biemu a kenuforiata accuse omo na akwakofa sanse gwe nyina ba ya nhwe yi a ika America for dia amaye no kra ye be fiaba dia aka no so ebeboye eno na me chiro so number 1 kenuforiata letter de koma akuto ampa aka offer kana city kwanso age shares Ghanaians 51% shares in PDS no amane nanfo for America for ni ti said ye Ghana for ni ndi omo nye aban we eni the to so bie e si there na oka so bie di frodo na wa suspend ejuma a woni ne wo enso o suspend here na 3 days after wo se masa so afa sa ejuma yiku okro na wa di frodo me no on san so me yes ejuma na di because that is what this government did 3 days after the suspension no ECG contracted PDS to still work for ECG and then in you know could start like the PDS le wo so America for no more rest anye mani nyina omo wie no mo say go for your more frosted. But Amewu assistant Ghana paying for over 24. And the Oman Ghana Sikaka Akan. I can plain take it among walk of Philippines about the Bermu. Any miracle for no aqua secret meeting. Secret meeting. And say then I be assembly what to be that. So what will be a defraudo. Obia ye ubukata, which is a crime. Now, what also do sika? Eka play take it. Eko Philippines. I want to go for you meeting ticket. And then people say what it didn't pay you them that. No man, pay you for those secretly. Was I private jet? We done a Fosika for Angola. And Nigeria as Angola for almost 19% in PDS. Or you are more for your secret meeting. Ah, Minia. I say we are not buying. What to be that? The Americans and they know say the Americans or they say only abrofone wo PDS mu no be carbon. No man you Ghana for the woman free. Like I say ya restructure PDS na san so dia baby. The America for the rest and you be na no mo say. Apart from these trips, o man penya ku for do asan so akọ French abuchire mamu. France akwa ko sia omo energy giants are from EDF. Ah omo pe kwan bi so e di EDF for no so hide aba make I say 51% say wo di na ewo mu no omo age di ama omo crofo US for no omo intelligence they have been doing it they have all this information and Santino omo nya aban we ni and so that is why omo can say oh with all the problems with PDS no yam correct it because omo nim say omo jaya aban befa ECG Japadi and can for reata then anado then an for bechafa. That is the reason why. It is can for reata. And yet the person in community and our best say I uncle far and that Ghana and US abuchmented. They say you know yet empanias who ye trained the US for about this termination. The Obama was over more hallelujah, you better than that. But Obama was over woeful, the Pano power compass ye came. Yesika ya de ade kwa binia na ye ko ya na say ye baye na sa financial loss no ye can one thing. Have you seen what the corruption in this government is actually leading us to? Now media de ye can say proposal like enoforiata e de abase US aban ma no kwan na omonya the friend of restrictive tendering. Na mo fan choose company for no me run ECG in replace of PDS. That what is our proposal. And no there, and a general secretary be chichi. But the year Kenya and second Ufuriata. So also dia, I'm sorry. Onya sa semne kakra ni nya tie. MPP for nya sa restrictive tendering no muso haram omunya kakra ni nya tie. Sebi bi previous omu bugana for say. Omu woni die ni obuo magana for. And omu bugana for say ya uhuri ani kwasoro. US are buying ama 1 year. Maybe I tell you 1 year more. Sapphire competitive international bidding. Omu kasa lend almost services to you through IFC and Hutton and William. Omu consultants omu wow. Now 1 year for choose to company papa through competitive bidding. Now on my ECG so 1 year competitive bidding and now we want more from US crown. What could you 419 company CDS according to you? Now 3 months. I know what they require restrictive tendering. And now they bet you to company papa. I same way I must we year part of Casagano. 1 year, why did you to company papa? Now 3 months, and now they bet you to company papa. Listen, India. About restrictive tendering is also saying now. What this will be a cast answer, maybe I people before cast at work will say, I don't know. That's PPA standard by ya. But no, then you MPP in another appointee, APJ, yet chain the set. All come are by contract. Emma the companies. Now, Jessica could bottom, abra contracts, no onion, don't call me documentary. Minia, 9 year restrictive tendering. That contract means a restrictive tendering, nobody yes, Africa. Minia, okay, NYA scandal. I agree. Africa and Nakwan so the 18 billion. Ama Prefos Limited. And one about some way young can million. Meaning, and yes, also. And Umpon one quanquaji approval, almost a year, as an Omokas or Mokoera. Master Court Associates, American Jumayuku, and I may no can say. Osafoma for Nick and Uforiata, the $1 million amount for no work that Auditor General so man here to be PR, or man follow procurement law. And none do I way there. They are allergic to our procurement processes. Competitive bidding require who so PDS they produce here. Now restricted tendering na they be no more the chrono. And on the at the Papa Bay company Papa Bay they bet you lead it. So any say you know mumu gidie da. Omo na cause problem we and they can never be trusted to fix this problem. And was America mine Ghana for na yete fa asem. That's how restricted tendering no. Omo nya nye nimpo na na do akọ France. Na na do any India for tata for share. Omu yo omu sumasi dedia. Omu nim di omu di PD, omu di ECD no babe man dada. They know it already. So no transparent process can go on. And no omu person omu ya tentem no. Keno for ya to say 3 months. Restricted tendering. Masa, onya kan onya itie. We are against it and we want Ghanaians to stand against it because the ECG ye pese ye so de ma ankwankwan juma ekuo bi mu a. E wo say ye true processor emu da ho. Competitive processor, you bet me the company papa. Now you answer one PDS part 2. It is restricted tendering there. Omo consider them no more to 3 companies. That is restricted tendering. No, consider them now buying and castle to 3 or 4 companies. Almost a more pre. No more to move back on it yet. And yes, you man name you because we know of Crow scandal, we know of PPA scandal, we know of NYA scandal. And all the procurement beaches are buying we buy a year, and they cannot be trusted. Say, or make me use to restrictive tender. And they are the PPA. And the idea can say, what about chrono? Why was the PDS and you're fraudulent? You can't want to move here, and we are one. Already know the proposal for Frabadada. You bet me the Kentaya consume. And I bet me consume Agu Kentemu. What's your be a defraudo? What's your contract? Omo mo defraudo and you more. Yesika do akodi omo de nyanje Ghana aban panyufo a enam omo so amasa TDS problem ya ban no omo da so te ho yenyanyi omo fi ho enti san kwansen kro na no eni ensan so fan for restrictive tender any company go for masa if you don't treat the root of a problem now we treat the symptoms at the end why so long as It's from Benjamin led media, no, and that's what. So long as Kelly Gajepo led ECG board, and that's what. It's from Benjamin Kelly Gajepo, you can for enterprise group, and so long as Peter Mewu, that's your Minister of Energy, can Oforiata, that's your Minister of Finance, and your consent crona. So you sound so quiet the phobia without clearing these people out of the way. The results will be the same because garbage in, garbage out. And you say you contain a consume. Now you just say you bet me fairly anchor. And the idea can and then you just get to bet you and check around the same. Number one, that is on Benjamin can Oforiata down for now, no that be done, no any board now. Or more than what's a bank guarantee, eco insurance guarantee, or man due diligence, or would be a Japadia from PDS and a Ghana for your work will come. Sound of phoning in leader board, no, and we see a chum. Or we are Jumama Ghana for you to your mocha. That or must say, we are incompetent, or we are negligent, and now we are greedy and selfish, or we are person. So we cannot trust them to go and bring another company. That board must be dissolved immediately. Number two, ECG4 now. Momodi Majapadia Wakoma PDS. Nama due diligence. Our insurance guarantee on the buyer. So when internet in Kamuko Google crack, Kamuka who are cool to phone telephone number. Nama from who are 12 say. Oh, PDS for the insurance guarantee, the Abasamona Modia Momo. The Pamachoya no crana. Simple idea way. ECG4 into the then they cannot be trusted to manage the process again. And was that our ECG board now can Oforiata down for Kelly Putano. And was that almost the Gusa board no immediately. Who they are not to say Peter Mewu I work come contompo bebrebe or say PDS for the fraud. And so the Ghana for years first class take it. Aqua Philippines. Aqua Busia miracle now or claim say or the fraud. And the who can Oforiata I was so winning resigning. MPP mu ni sure say Ebenya ministers makumienu and any papa kubienu dia. Omo de krono ni omo mu tese san kofu. Na so omo ne yesi omo ma be lead a new procurement process. At least ye betimi anya gidie say omo de they will do a good job and not shortchange the national interest like Peter Mewu and Kedufuriata did. Nothing in the but a fraud, a criminal offense. And Ghana for the ye nim shekra no dokoro to ahye ye nim sa ben ye nim shekra no ye nim sa PDS ba ye tia light bill of PPP pay 1.5 billion amount masa William Usika Kahubi Magderi Sika Kahubi Sami Jenfi Sika Kahubi ye tia fo nyina light bill la ko di PDS for say etiene samu di PDS no ye 419 na omo eni sika omo ni technical omo ni hwe omo ba be dadam. And the reason even the in the first place, yeah. Fraud is a vitiating factor. Fraud vitiates all. And yet, you see, meaning I was here Zakayade, and I'm a what?
Who's here or ha? Actually, Punk no. Needs FM.